Hi guys, welcome and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step guide on how you can apply for Germany short stay visa. Okay, so if that interests you, keep watching. So I'll be leaving the link of this website in the description of this video. So this is the official website of Germany mission in Nigeria. Okay, visa for short-term stay, Schengen visa. So look at the contents here. You can book appointments, you can do all of the good stuff, application form, application procedure. Okay, so let's see. Responsible mission abroad. The German Embassy Abuja only processes visa to a limited extent. So please note that this visa is strictly by appointment. Okay, so I'll be showing you how you can book appointment. So they said check here to find the list of documents needed. Okay, let's see the documents needed. As it's opening up, let's continue. So for the appointment, you can only apply for a visa if you have booked an appointment in advance. Okay, this also applies to the former walk-in applicant. Booking an appointment is free of charge. Okay, so let's see the requirements first. So we are going for a tourism, or should we go for transit visa? Let's do tourism. So we are going for tourism. They said this means that you want to enter Germany for tourist purpose for a short stay of up to 90 days. Okay, so let's see the documents. The documents required, all required documents need to be submitted at the personal interview in one copy in DIN A4 format, including the application form. So do not staple the photocopies. Original certificate or document must be presented separately. Your original document will be returned to you once your application has been processed. The following documents have to be submitted as indicated below. So you have to submit your application form, visa fee, 2 recent passport pictures, passport, that's your passport, birth certificate, permanent resident for Nigeria if applicable, residence permit for Nigeria if applicable, previous passport if applicable if you have, proof of accommodation, proof of sufficient financial resources for the planned stay, proof of social and economic ties to country of residence, travel itinerary. This travel itinerary includes your number of stay, your PNR, your flight and stuff like that, travel insurance, flight reservation for round trips, prepared courier envelope. So the required document must be submitted in full at the personal interview. Documents sent in advance cannot be considered. So anytime you are coming for the interview, just make sure you are coming with your documents. All of this document is a must, is mandatory. It is not possible to process incomplete application. Incomplete application will be rejected. We ask for your understanding that inquiries about the status of the application cannot be answered. Okay, so when you are done reading this and you have all of the documents ready, then you go on to book appointments. Let's just finish up. So application must be submitted at least 15 calendar days prior to the start of the planned trip. Application must be submitted 6 months prior to travel. So the fees for processing a visa application is 90 euros. Okay, so just so you know, you can come here and read all of these good stuffs. Let's download the application form. So yeah, it translates to English. So for the application form, this is what the application form looks like. Okay, this is what the application form looks like. So you are going to fill out this form. You go with it to the appointment. Okay, so you write your personal name, birth, first name, date of birth, place of birth, country of birth, gender, marital status, current nationality, original nationality, personal. You fill out your professions, contact details, documents, biometrics. If you have traveled to Schengen visa before, you click yes. If not, you ignore. Visa sticker number, if known, you impute it. Okay, travel dates, if necessary, entry permit for the final destinations. Okay, references, if you have someone that is inviting, you have to put in the reference person. Okay, surname, first name, gender, provide the informations. Cost coverage, travel and living expenses, you have to put here. If you are being sponsored by third party, you said who the relationship we have with the person. Means of subsistence, cash, travelers, check. You fill all of these good stuffs. When you are done, you save. It will not allow me to save, so when you are done, you save. When you save, you are going to see options to print it out. Okay, so for us to be able to book appointments, we have to go to VFS Global. I'm going to leave the link to the description of this video. So when you go to vfsglobal.com, you will see welcome to VFS. This one is for Germany. Okay, so let's see, apply for a visa. This is step-by-step guide. Okay, so you can also come here and do visa type, select visa type, short stay, tourism. Okay, you see, let me just go to processing is usually 7 days. Photo specification, this is what is required of you. Okay, so you come here and see. If you wear glasses, be color neutral. All of the information. Document required. Wanted us to see the visa fee is 90 euros. Okay, visa fee for all visa categories is to be paid online while filling visa application form on Nigerian immigration portal. All applicants need to pay a mandatory fee, service fee of 91.75 euros inclusive of tax, to be paid during application submission at the visa center. So this is the main reason why I brought us here. You are not paying online, no. You are taking it to the to your appointment date. That's where you are going to make the payment. Okay, so moving forward, book appointment. Okay, so once it's open like this, all that is required of you is to book an appointment. So if you are ready to arrange your visa application appointment, see below to begin the next process of it. Okay, so if you already booked an appointment or plan to reschedule, you click here. But for new applicants, you have to book appointment by clicking here.